Let's understand what a margin call means in Forex trading. As the market moves against your open trades, your account equity begins to decrease. This causes your margin level to fall. Margin level is calculated by dividing equity by used margin and multiplying by 100. Once your margin level reaches your broker's margin call percentage, you'll receive a warning.
To recover, you can either deposit more funds or close losing positions.
A margin call is only a warning. If ignored, your broker may begin closing your trades at the stop-out level.
Keep an eye on your margin level, manage your risk wisely, and trade with confidence. See you in the next lesson.
Forex and CFD trading involves substantial risk. It may not be suitable for every investor. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose.
Please like and subscribe.